Hello everyone, I'm Shifaligar. Welcome to BrightChamps channel, and today in this video I'm going to discuss with you the tips and tricks of Minecraft and how you can play Minecraft like a pro. So as you all know, in this journey of Minecraft there are so many updates and evolution has been arised. Minecraft has come really far from its humble beginning. It started out as a passion project and has turned into one of the biggest gaming franchises in existence. So, such a grand feat means like you are going to have new people constantly joining in on the fun. So, as you know, like newcomers may need a little guidance to figure out like some of the intricate details of the game. So, today we are going to discuss about these tips and tricks which is going to help to play this game, and it is also going to help for the beginners also, how you can start the Minecraft, what are the things you have to keep in mind while you are playing the Minecraft game, and how you can save your many hours while playing this game, and how you can survive in this world. So there are so many things which we are going to discuss over here. So first of all, we are going to discuss about like how your lava buckets can become a great fuel. So if you find lava anywhere, so be sure to keep it marked. As soon as you get some bucket, go and collect as much lava as possible. So lava is an excellent fuel to use in the furnace. It lasts a long time, so you can smelt as much as you want. So you know what, like lava is also one of the ingredients in creating obsidian, a rare block. With a bonus use like that, there is no reason not to carry lava. So get as many bucket of this as possible and become an efficient adventure. Let me show you this, like how it looks like. Wait. Yes, so here is the lava. If you find lava, so just collect it and put it in your bucket. So in this way you can store as many lava as you want. Okay, so it's very good to store the lava. And the next thing is we are going to discuss about the best diamond level, like how you can find out the diamonds, and how it is going to help you. As you know, like diamond were most likely to spawn at Y levels. Going any further down, that would not increase the likelihood of you finding diamond, and in fact it would increase your likelihood of encountering lava. So lava and the diamond is also likely to if you find the diamonds, so always try to spawn it at Y levels. Okay, from the Y levels, from the Y dimensions. Okay, so it will going to craft easily, and it will help you to craft easily the best diamond. Okay, so let me show you the picture of the diamond also, like how it looks like. Yeah, in this way you can find out this is it will look like that, the diamond, and you can find out easily. Okay, it maybe it is going to be find in the when you are just going underground and you are mining a thing. So you are mining a block, so in that way you can find out the diamonds. Okay, so the next we are going to discuss about like how you can use the torch to farm sand and gravel blocks. So torches are probably some of the most versatile items in all of Minecraft. They do the obvious things like lighting up dark areas and keeping monsters away. So torches help you to keep the monsters away. However, they have some other useful abilities, sand and gravel blocks are affected by gravity. So if you remove the block underneath, so they will fall. So at the moment before the block falls, you can place a torch. So you know what, how it going to help you? This will cause all of the blocks to be broken, allowing you to collect them. Okay, so this is a you can say it is a fun bonus tip also. Like you can place a torch beneath you when digging upwards, when you are just digging upwards, to prevent gravel or sand from falling and killing you. Okay, so let me just share the picture of this also, like how it looks like. Okay, so as you can see over here, if you can place the torch beneath the block, so it is helpful for you to take the blocks. Okay, so it will not fall down. Okay, so you can easily take these blocks. Okay, so always try to use this tip. Okay, now let me show you another thing, like the next tip. Okay, so the next step is zombie proof door. Okay, like how you can how you can stop zombie to enter into the door. So zombie can break down your door and invade your precious house. Okay, so so there are thankfully some ways of preventing the zombies from running your day and destroying your property. So one option is that like to have a door set up one block higher. Okay, always try to set up your door one block higher, so that way these zombies cannot reach it. And the other choice is to use a fence instead. Okay, you can use a fence also. They can't break the fences down, and it also allow you to fight back without any raids, so it will also help you. Okay, so let me show you how this look like. Yes, here you go. So as you can see, like you can just make a door like that. You can just make a door one step ahead. You can just place a block beneath. After that you can place a door, or you can use fence also instead of the block. So in that way zombies will not enter into the house, and it will also help you to fight back with the zombies. Okay, so yes, so now the next thing is we are going to discuss about the mushroom biomes are safe. You know what? The mushroom biomes is the only biome where hostile mobs do not spawn at night. Okay, so this make it the safest place in Minecraft and the best place to build a home. So there are also no mobs in the cave systems, allowing for safer mining. So always when you are just surviving into the world, so always try to find out the mushroom biomes place. Okay, so let me show you how it looks like first of all. Yes, so this is yeah. Okay, so this is the mushroom biomes. As you can see, this is the safest place. Okay, here the mobs are not coming, and you can easily build your house also. So try to find out this place. Okay, so in this is the safest place in Minecraft. Okay, you can easily just if there is a night, you can easily just relax over this place. Okay, so you can just you can make the safer place over here. Okay, so this is the safest place. So try to find out, if you are in a survival mode, try to find out this mushroom biomes. Okay, so now let me okay, so now we'll move to the next step, that is our okay. All right, so next step we are going to discuss that is become a cat person. Okay, so this is a cool tip, or you can say it is a fun tip. So cats are a cool addition to Minecraft and make for nice pets. However, it's more than just having a cat as a pet. They also serve an important function, like creepers are very scared of cats. So try to become a cat person. Okay, so if you have enough cats around your house, then creepers will avoid you at all cost. Okay, yes, so let me show you this, like how you can become a cat person and how the cat is look like in Minecraft. As you can see over here, the cat is look like this. Okay, so try to try to fetch as as many cats as possible. And if you see like there are and if you find that kind of place in which there are so many cats available, so try to build your house over there. So because the monsters or the creepers will scared from the cat, so it will be safe for you. Okay, and it will help you to fight back with the creepers also. Okay, so try to find out that kind of place where most of the cats are available. Okay, so next thing is we are going to discuss about how you can save yourself in underwater. Okay, so try to take torches or try to use ladder, signs, fences and doors underwater. Like how you can make use of this. Like once again, like torches have come to the rescue. Like whenever you go on a trip underwater, so be sure to take a bunch of torches with you. Okay, so they can help you breathe underwater for a longer period of time. So by placing a torch on a block, it creates an air bubble, okay, for a short time. So you have to place it on a vertical surface, so that's right next to your head for this to work. So but it's enough to ensure that you can get some extra breath in an emergency. Okay, so this tip is going to help you when you are in underwater. Okay, so just try to take as many torches as with you. Okay, and it also easy to make items like letter, signs, fences, and doors. So with any item that comes with air around it, according to the games. Okay, so which include not only torches but also easy to make items like letter, signs, fences, and doors. So let me show you how it look like basically. So try to always use these kind of things, that is torches and fences. Okay, always try to place at the vertical surface when you are whenever you are going underwater. Okay, so you can survive more. Okay, you can breathe and in the underwater. Okay, so this will also help you. Now move to the next thing, our next step, that is okay, so our next step is like how you can store water. Okay, how you can make a source of water. Okay, so this is what you can do. First of all, let me show you the picture of this, and after that we'll discuss about this thing. Okay, yes, as you can see like this, you can store the water. Okay, so how it going to help you? Like this is the ideal construction to have near a farm. So you won't have to carry a lot of water buckets. Okay, you don't need to carry a bucket every time or build near a water source to make this work. So it also extremely simple to build and you don't need anything special, just 2 buckets of water to start. Okay, like what you have to do over here, you have to just make a 2 by 2 square in the ground. It should be 1 block deep, and you can pour one big bucket in the top left corner of the square and let the water spill. Okay, so finally pour the other bucket in the bottom right corner, so you have your infinite water source. Okay, so like this you can collect the water. You can just put the water in a safer place. Okay, you can store the water, okay, in a safer place near to your farm, near to your house. You can do this wherever you want. Okay, all right, now we are going to discuss like how you can carry a bucket of water at all times. So this is also going to be a useful tip for you, like how you can carry a bucket of water at all time. Okay, basically what you have to do, okay, let me just show you the picture of this. As you can see, this is a picture of the how you can carry out and how it's going to help you basically. So you know what, like water buckets can save your life in many situations, especially in mining. You can use it to counter random burst of lava. So if you find lava anywhere and you want to make save yourself. So for that purpose, you can use this bucket of water. You could also use it to climb down steep inclines and get to lower ground. So you could even use the water to help you get away from some monsters also. So use it to create some distance between you and the mob. So just remember to make sure that you have a few extra buckets of water when going into the mounts, when going into the deeper or underground. So always try to carry a bucket of water. Okay, maybe when you are just going deeper and when you are crafting, or you are just get tree rocks, and so always try to have a bucket of water. Okay, so that whenever you are just going deeper, maybe you will find lava in the deeper in underground, so it will going to help you to save. Okay, so yes. So yeah, so our next tip, which I want to discuss with you after this. Okay, like how you can replace charcoal through coal. Okay, let me show you the picture of this first of all. So this is the very cool tip, like how you can replace charcoal through coal. Yes, it looks like this. Okay, so in this way you can replace charcoal through coal. Okay, so when you start your new adventure, basically, you may not immediately find some coal. Okay, you have to explore for several hours, and after that, you will find out the charcoal. So this is there is an alternative, since coal is a vital resource. So that alternative is charcoal, and it's made from wood. So this is also going to a cool tip. Okay, so now, these are some of the best cool tips and tricks, and or you can say fun tips. Okay, it's going to help you to create your new world or your survival world. So it will going to help you in many ways. So I hope you like this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video. And if you have any comment, if you have any questions, so you can just put in the comment section, and I'm going to answer all of them. So it's thank you so much, and bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.